Can a cycling adventure across India unveil cultural treasure and inspire creative writing in an AI age, the age of artificial intelligence? Let's have a reflection.
It's drizzling here. It's gonna rain after some time. So get some मालखल के बीच का ट्रैकिंग हाईवे है एंड इसी रास्ते पे हम चलेंगे स्टार्ट करेंगे रास्ते से आ रहे थे यहाँ से हमें दिखा नहीं नीचे खड्डा था हमारे मेरे सर गिर गए उनके नीचे खून निकल रहा है ये बहुत होटल भी नहीं मिल रहा है हम इधर उधर भटक रहे हैं अभी और हमारे सर को बहुत ज़्यादा लग भी गया खून भी आ रहा है उनके नीचे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करें हम
वीडियो हो गया है
अब वीडियो बना हमें प्रॉब्लम
आज आपल्यासोबत आहेत नारायण सर ते जे आहेत मनोहर जोशी कॉलेजमध्ये प्राध्यापक इंग्लिश वर्षी आहेत तर ते सध्या भारत भ्रमण करत आहेत सायकलवर त्यांचा जे राईडचा मोटो आहे ते आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्सच्या विरोधात आहे म्हणजे की सध्या जे काही काल्पनिक कोणीही स्ट्रक्चर करत नाही आहे ते असेंबल करण्यासाठी सर प्रयत्न करतात आहे मुलांमध्ये स्वतःचे विचार रुजवण्याचा प्रयत्न सर करत आहेत आणि त्याला सपोर्ट करण्यासाठी आज आपण त्यांचा सत्कार करत आहोत आणि समूहातर्फे त्यांना सेफ्टीसाठी पुढच्या राईडसाठी शुभेच्छा देतो.
जय श्रीराम.
बिल्कुल पक्का आप अपडेट दीजिए फिर वापस आएंगे
स्टैंड ऊपर कीजिए. चलिए.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
At 2:15, rain became terrible and I stopped in front of a Chiku garden. Chiku in English, I don't know, I might have forgotten. Yeah, in front of the road, the opposite of the road, the Chiku garden in abundance. And you can see terrible rain, cats and dogs. It is called outpour. It's very pleasant to ride cycle on under the rain. You can question me. This metal sheep is in the roundabout. Looks very wonderful. I'm about to reach Daman. It will take some time. Stop here just to see this statue, you can say. Surat is about 14 kilometers from here. There's a ascending flyover, or you can say bridge, which made me to stop here for a while. And the pause actually allowed me to get a shoot of the location from right to left, in 360-degree circles. Bus is coming, you see? Yeah, and yeah, this is another flyover next to it. It's raining and construction work is going on. The bridge has got another layer. It's supposed to be. Okay, now I will be ascending this part of the bridge. I have plenty of time, so I thought of showing you silly things. It's about 8:15. I had a sound sleep last night. I stayed the night here in the petrol pump. They have given me free accommodation and good hospitality. Actually, I was looking for a room here, a hotel, Asolat Pave. They did not provide us the room because they had some scarcity of the staff. The hotel is closed. That's the reason. Okay, now today I'm heading to Surat. Surat is an industrial town, very very famous. सब ये ड्रैगन फ्रूट के बारे में बताना, कहाँ से लाते हैं आप? खुद उगाते हैं? ओ, कितना एकड़ जमीन पे है ये? एक एकड़ में है। वाओ, रोज यहीं बेचते हैं? और कौन से लोग पसंद करते हैं इसको खाने में?
आते जाते रोड पे जाते हैं, सभी लोग खाते हैं।
अच्छा, टेस्टी। ओके, तो ये थोड़ा महंगा है, तो हर कोई खाता है क्या? अच्छा, और बाजार में? वाह, अच्छा, ये कांटेदार कैक्टस टाइप के होता है इसका जो प्लांट है, इसका जो पेड़ है, कांटे कांटे होता है ना? तो कितना फल एक पेड़ में उगता है? अच्छा, और इसको कच्चा में उतारना पड़ता है या पकने के बाद? हाँ, तो अलग अलग साइज़ का होता है क्या? ये कौन मीडियम बड़ा रहता है, उसको साइज के मुताबिक कीमत है ना? अच्छा, आपका नाम क्या? राठवा भरत जी, आपसे मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा और थैंक यू वेरी मच ये मुझे खिलाने के लिए और मुझे बताने के लोगों के लिए। ड्रैगन फ्रूट बहुत स्पेशल फ्रूट है, इसको अंग्रेज़ी में एक्जॉटिक फ्रूट बोलते हैं, मगर काफ़ी लोग नहीं जानते। मुंबई में मगर फेमस है, महाराष्ट्र और गुजरात में ये फेमस है। व्हाट अ फैसिनेटिंग कलर of my fruit. This dragon fruit is mixed of pink and magenta. The peel has magnificent color, and this one, dragon fruit inside with the black seeds. The mango color also nice, yellowish. When you get in the ticket counter, it will be surprised to say they accept only credit card or debit card. They don't accept cash. So it was a little inconvenient for me to get the ticket, and fortunately I checked my debit card. There was little cash and I could have. See, very significant thing, you can see ahead little far there are some auto rickshaw in pink color, and they are dominantly, every driver is a lady. This is a specialty of Ekta Nagar, where we have Statue of Unity. Okay, now I'm going to board on the bus, which will take me to the statue point, and that is through a bus provided by the authority and free of cost. Thank you. Let me approach few meters more to have proper view of the statue of the legend who could unified India and created democracy, the world's largest democracy. And the statue is also the world's highest monument or sculpture. I'm walking towards the Statue of Unity, very close by. It will take few minutes, I believe, because it's a long way under a very decorated shade. Okay, there's the hiding. Oh, yeah. I'll show you the pink autos, which I hinted at the entry while buying the ticket. These are all run by ladies, and that's significantly pink color symbolizing the ladies, gorgeous women, and they have a sophisticated service over here. Fare kitna hai, Tai? The road to the Statue of Unity is filled with wilderness, could be seen very beautifully like Amazon forest, and you would be amazed to really see both the sides are plantation created by human, not the natural one. And there are villages, there are schools, there are institutions, there are some commercial points as well when you reach this termination. I am finally at Bharuch, and I'm standing in front of a Novos big hotel. Anyway, I'm not going to stay here because I can't afford. Very happy to see the light at dusk and be in Bharuch. I'll proceed tomorrow, Rajpipla. Thank you for everything. See my face too? Yeah, okay. Can I take a selfie, kind of? Yeah, I guess yes. Alright. This signboard says major breeze ahead. It doesn't mean there is the name. It's saying there's an important breeze ahead. Need to be careful. Okay, see industrial growth here, a tower of electric wire, and next to it you can see the plantation of bananas more and more. And it seems miles and miles. I don't know how many miles. It could be more than 100 miles. Behind the banana plantation you can also see some kind of forestry area. Okay, the breeze is ahead coming up, and we will have curiosity what kind of breeze it is. Other side, the divider is big and long of the highway. Okay, let's follow. Here are the buffaloes obstructing the way. Luckily, I crossed the road between Kathiawadi to MIDC, GIDC, Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation, had been so rushed with the trolleys of the big vehicles. Big means huge, colossal vehicles that created obstruction. And it took time because I was literally dragging my cycle. It was not possible to ride the cycle at all. It's a small market in Daulat Bazaar. I have come here to locate a lodge, and I'll be staying tonight in the lodge because my clothes are dirty and some of them are torn on. I need to do some kind of needfulness. Alright, so I'm finally here in, what is that place called? Yeah, remind me. Thank you. Good night. We are okay. कौन सी जगह? Wagaz. Okay, some crowd of the school students waiting here. I had a good time of discussing there, asking their school timing. Your school timing is 11 to 5, and I say it's a pretty long. I will be requesting through YouTube to the government of Ministry of Education to reduce the time because they need their own time for preparation to do some sports, etc. And it's a great privilege. So I had a plan to interact and talk to the principal. Unfortunately, that's not possible because of the time constraint. It's a sunny day. Sun rose on my head. Good afternoon. Yeah, look at the flowers blooming, yellow flowers on the trees as vistas of the road. So beautiful, stunning. See the rural ambience here. People are growing, can you guess? It's lady's finger or something called okra. Behind the agricultural field, there's a valley, and the valley exists because of the hills behind. And I'll let you know name of the hill in the evening today from inquiring from, because there's no signboard to let you know that. Okay, so see a truck coming up. Next to the truck, I mean in the left side, again the yellow flower blooming. The color of the sun ray and the flowers on the ground as well as on the tree, same. Good luck.
मैं बताता हूँ ना, violence has taken me here for shelter tonight. I came from Mumbai. Right now, today is the first statue of unity, and tomorrow I'll go there. This is the place I'm going to shelter. Have a good time. You have Red Bull? No? Basically looking for a bed. You see a bed.
हाँ हाँ देखा हो जाएगा. The danger zone was very small, which I left behind. Now it is safer to cycle, and I hold my camera, my mobile, on my right hand, and in order to show you the trees, beautiful trees. You see some kind of changmango at the right side. Few traffic. One motorbike is coming. It's a rural guy. Yeah, right side this way jungle, and this way it goes. Ha ha ha! Here you will see a signboard. What does it say? I don't know. There's English too. I'll read. Godhra, Dahod I'll go day after tomorrow. Ambadi, Baria. Okay, my destination is Baria. It's 23 kilometers from here. And we keep going. And jungle are at your disposal. My cycle moving. I can't show myself because to change the button I need some kind of skill, capability, but I don't have that one. It's 1 minute 44 second video. I'll make it another few seconds because this view is really beautiful in the daylight. It's safe zone, they say, but still I fear there could be some kind of animal trespassing the road. Oh, here I go. One bike coming in front. And let me stop here. Yeah. Lindi 74, Baria 23 only. So I'm going Baria. Okay, I forgot to show you the milestone. There's a slope actually coming up. It'll be a long video just to show the ascending place. As soon as this is opposite of ascending something else. Okay, big tree. Right, okay. I don't get any dhaba today for a long time to eat something, and I'm hungry, thirsty, both. My water bottle exhausted. Okay. Narrow road of solitude, a village called Mongkuri in Gujarat, when I am leading to Udaipur. Yes, surprised to see bamboo grove. Yeah, it's sticky, not as big as you find in Northeast India, but this is also useful and new variety. Behind, while crossing, I have seen a lot of them. And there were some big trees like people, and also elephant fruit, I don't know, elephant apple tree. You can see again once more a many plantation of soybean. Here's the road. Here are the bamboos. Yes. And this is the road I'll follow to Udaipur.
I think any adventure as simple as cycling can unveil creativity. Writing on the basis of experience helps to retain originality instead of being copycat. If you have any suggestions, feel free to post in the comment box. I will really appreciate if you like, share or comment. Join us in the Pan India Cycling Reflections every day. We are grateful for your relentless support.